I have iPhone XR and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen right here, then find and select the settings. From the list of settings you need to find and select General. Then here let's tap Language and Region. So as you can see here, you've got your current language. In my case this is the English, but I can choose other language by tapping Other Languages. So here you've got the list of the available languages that you can use on this device, and you can choose one of the following languages. In my case, let me use the Spanish right here. Let's tap Done. So let's choose Change to Spanish, and as you can see, the device is changing language. Let's wait a few seconds. That's it. Now you can go back, and as you can see, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just find Ajustes, scroll down, choose General, tap here Idioma y Región, tap Idioma del iPhone, and let me choose English one more time, tap OK, tap Cambiar a Inglés. The phone is setting language. That's it. Right now you can use the English version of your device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.